Hi, my name is Greg, although some people in Asia call me Dr. Greg because I have a doctorate in law from Yale University, so but you can just call me Greg. I'm American and I have an engineering, MBA, law, economics, and finance background. Entrepreneur, um, whether you're interested in serious scientific research or technical manuals or macroeconomics, global issues, engineering, or just lighthearted, talkative, gregarious, and fun conversations, maybe about food and travel or music. I would be extremely happy to get you on your path to a successful learning adventure. Uh, Working as an engineer, a lawyer, company owner in Japan, South Korea, Thailand, as well as a university professor for 10 plus years in engineering, law, and business, MBA primarily, uh, and teaching English for more than 25 plus years to private students, universities, primary schools, high schools, private, public schools, you name it. Uh, and then also to my staff in various countries such as Japan and Thailand and their children. I really have proven and effective uh, communication and learning methodologies that will help you set your path on the success for fluency in English. Um, so even though also I kind of dabble, as you might guess, in lead guitarist in a punk rock band and do a little bit of lead vocals, I love talking about music, all genres, but I also, any topic that's stimulating is good with me. I've worked in industries such as DIY, power tools, construction materials, economics, finance, management consulting, engineering, marketing, entrepreneurship. I've advised some U.S. presidents before and some prime ministers in different countries. And I was a university professor, as I said, for 10 years in engineering, MBA, and law. I can work with you specifically on improving your pronunciation, diction, vocabulary extension, conversational flow, word reduction, flat sounds, voice intonation, slang versus formal speech, idioms, reading and writing skills, and the nuances and subtleties of the English language. Let me be your guide to learning English and becoming fluent and being able to talk like a native speaker. I know how you feel. At age 29, I went to Japan, started a company after I quit my engineering job, and I had to learn Japanese. 6 months. It was difficult starting the consulting firm, but I did it. And so I know where you're coming from when you could be a little bit shy, or you might not have the want to raise your hand attitude to give an answer. And I'll be there to prompt you for those answers. And you'll make mistakes. But I hope you do make some mistakes, because then that gives me an opportunity to improve your sentence, your phraseology, and your general knowledge of English. Let me talk a little bit about my style. Style is freestyle, but still rigorous and thorough. And I enjoy the opportunity to be able to talk and have an interesting conversation with you. Despite being freestyle, there still is a methodology to the freestyle learning methods that I utilize. And we all know that learning comes from making mistakes and then correcting those mistakes. So let me welcome you to give me a call and set you on your path to learning English. I look forward to your call. Dewa Mata. in Japanese means see you later.